Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super easy overnight heatless waves. This is the finished waves if you guys want to check it out. It's super duper simple. All you need is 2 hair ties and a few minutes of your time. Pop it in, go to sleep, and then tomorrow you will wake up with beautiful beachy waves without having to apply any heat. So if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. My name is Jess and I make hair and lifestyle type content, beauty videos. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I have just pinned my front bits back, but otherwise this is a good example of the waves that you can achieve. I specifically made this because I have shorter hair now, and the robe trick that I was doing doesn't work with the shorter hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you give it a go, and let's jump straight into the heatless waves. Right, don't mind my fresh face and my messy hair. I've just brushed my hair through and we are going to get it ready. I've just put a pimple spot on, so don't mind that either. We're going to get it ready for bed. So this is a overnight heatless hairstyle, and all you need are 2 sort of like metalless, creaseless hair ties, little scrunchies, something like that. I recommend using something like these where they're really soft and they're not going to damage the hair, because that's going to be the best for your results. And so all we're going to do is take your hair, like you see my hair is fairly mid-length now, but I have done this on long hair, and I have done this as my hair's shorter. You just might have to get all those little baby bits in the back. But what we're going to do is part my hair down the middle, just directly down the middle, like so. And I'm going to grab one of these hair ties and just pop this over here. We're going to come back to this side. So got this hair all on this side, and we're going to take a small chunk from the front. However big the chunk is will depend on however big your waves are. So I take a reasonable size chunk and split it in 2, like so. Super simple. Then all you're going to do is to wrap the top piece over the bottom piece, so that back piece is now at the front. Then with this front piece you're going to gather another chunk of hair, not the back piece. This is not a French braid. And we're going to repeat. You just take that over with the front, gather another piece of hair, take it over with the front, gather another piece of hair, take it over, and you just repeat this. So front, piece of hair, take it back, front chunk, piece of hair, take it back, and then this should be the last piece here. So it'll look something like this. And then with these hairs, just wrap them around each other until you get the bottom and hair tie. It will get a little bit looser after you let go. And I sort of like just pull the hair tie down a little bit. But as you guys can see, it's almost like a braided effect. It's almost like a braided effect without having to go through the effort of a braid. And you guys will see, or you will see at the beginning of this video and you will see at the end, just how really nice and gentle the waves are. You can probably see the brushed out version here, but they look a lot better first thing in the morning. So we're going to repeat that process so you guys can see it again. Take a chunk of hair, split it in half, so, and top piece always goes over, and that new front piece will always grab some hair. Top piece goes over, new front piece will grab some hair, and repeat. Over, hair, over, hair, over, any leftover hair, and continue to twist. Now, like I said, the tighter these twists are, the tighter your waves are going to be at the end. I actually do them fairly tight because my hair is, like I said, quite short to mid-length. And so I find that it actually isn't too bad. If you have really long hair, you can take bigger chunks of hair and then you'll get sort of more gentle waves. The tighter the curl or the tighter the twist, the more beachy the wave is going to be, I suppose. So just be aware of that. So that is the hair all done. If you had like a special event, you could do this for that. So you could do this in the morning, spritz your hair with maybe a little bit of water or something, and leave it all day and then just take it out for the event. For me, I generally do this overnight. I will sleep with my hair in these little braids or these little twists, and then in the morning I will take it out. So please don't mind my little pimple spot. But anyway, I'll be back tomorrow morning to show you guys the finished result of my heatless hairstyle. Good morning, guys. It is the next day and I have slept in this twisted hairdo. So you guys can see it's not as neat and pretty as it was last night, but we're going to show you the results. So I'm just going to take them out. This is very similar to like the robe trick that I did on my channel a few weeks back. I will leave that linked up in the cards, but since my hair's been cut, this is sort of the one that I'm using at the moment. If you guys want to hear all about my haircut, I've got a couple of videos on it. I'll leave them up in the cards and in the description box. But this is the result. Now the only thing I will do is I will sort of like twist and pin these like front bits back because they don't fully set the best. Because I've got a fringe area that just doesn't, I've got a really bad cowlick in the middle here, but otherwise the rest of the hair gets this beautiful wave. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed my heatless hairstyle for short to medium hair. Let me know if you guys check this out, and I will see you guys in my next video.